Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. We are coming off of some overnight showers and thunderstorms out there, and there was a little severe weather last night. Did pick up some decent rains in a few locations out there. One of the highest numbers I'll mention, actually, is out of the Chapman area, just south and southeast of Chapman. A report of 2 and almost 3/4 of an inch, 2.72 inch of rain, and that was about 6 miles southeast of Chapman, just over the Platte River. You can see that on our map here, a little bit of yellow in northern parts of Hamilton County. That was where some of our heaviest rains are. Maybe over towards Gosper and Phelps County, there were some reports of potentially up to over 2 inches of rainfall as well. So there were some pockets of heavier rain. Those green shaded areas, that's where you're seeing where we saw over an inch of rain in some spots. Once you get into the blue, that was under an inch of rain. But again, some decent rain out there last night in some spots. The rest of the day, I think the best chance, especially as we head into tonight, will be across northern Kansas for seeing some heavier rainfall. Future cast a little overdone. Our best chances of rain the rest of the day in northern and eastern Nebraska, mainly this morning. Not really any kind of severe weather threat. By this afternoon, most of us dry. Tri-Cities area, probably not going to see much rain the rest of the day today. Few pockets of sunshine, the best chance towards the south. Rain and thunderstorm chances firing back up, probably not until this evening, between about 7 and midnight tonight. Again, parts of northern Kansas may see some heavy rainfall. There's that threat of severe weather as well. This is closer to a cold frontal boundary, which is kind of stalled out right now across northern portions of Kansas near the Nebraska-Kansas border. So the farther north you go, the lower your chances of rain will be. Even the Tri-Cities, I'm not expecting a real good chance of rain and thunderstorms. This will continue into the late night hours. The severe weather threat should go down by about midnight or so. We'll keep a chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms going for your day on Thursday, mainly south of the interstate. North, not really expecting much for rain out there. A little more sunshine, in fact, to the north, so it'll be a little warmer up there. Your Thursday, we dry things out by Thursday evening, leading to lots of sunshine for the rest of the week, right into the upcoming weekend before rain chances return early next week. Again, your severe weather threat later on today, mostly for this evening, is going to be in the southern and southeastern parts of the viewing area. Not a great chance, but again, some severe weather possible. Wind and hail look to be the main threat, and maybe even some localized heavy rainfall in some of those areas as well. Forecast highs north of that boundary going to be a little cooler today in the upper 50s and lower 60s up north. To the west, a small chance of rain and thunderstorms, lower 60s for many, but then we could see mid 60s in McCook and maybe even low 70s towards Beaver City. So again, the trend will be the farther south and southeast you go, you'll see a much warmer day near that or ahead of that frontal boundary. It just depends on where exactly that is. Just a small chance of a shower thunderstorm in the south, maybe a little better chance this evening down in northern portions of Kansas. And to the east, we'll see that chance of rain this morning, small chance this afternoon, but notice the trend of warmer conditions as you get towards the southeast. Next couple of days, still going to keep that rain chance through tomorrow, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday looking dry as we see a nice little warming trend on the way, mid-80s by Sunday. In fact, Sunday, Monday, almost a repeat of what we had this past weekend and this past Monday. I think some may even make a run for 90 on Monday. Now, one thing I will mention is Sunday night there is going to be a small chance of showers and thunderstorms in the northern and western parts of the viewing area, not for the Tri-Cities. And then late in the day, Monday into Monday night, there is going to be a chance of showers and thunderstorms. And this one does, depending on the timing, hold a better chance of some severe weather. Certainly something to keep an eye on, as there's going to be a lot more instability ahead of this system. So it's caught my eye. It's still a long ways away yet to give too much certainty to this part of the forecast, but again, it may be one of our better chances of severe weather we've seen so far this spring season, and this could potentially even last into Thursday or Tuesday as well of next week, as it looks like just a little more active weather could be on the way in the long term as we approach the second half of the month of May. So if you have any weekend plans, I think for the most part should be fine. Mother's Day, quite warm, a lot of graduations going on Sunday as well, but overall, weekend looking pretty darn good. So there you go, there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you have a great Wednesday, and God bless.